My first full day in Fiji, second time round. Breakfast time at the Mercure in Nandi. Rice, curry, baked beans, cereals, cakes, pastries and toast, and plenty of fresh fruit. We ended up getting omelettes, so cute puppy, and caught a car into Nandi town for some shopping. If you know me, you know I love dogs. Sleeping dogs, so cute. Kids off to school. Then we made a beeline to the market to my favourite pineapple and watermelon vendor. Juices, fresh pineapple, yum. These guys were hard at work washing windows and cleaning the pavement. Then off to catch the ferry. Quick hello to a yacht on the way past. Check out the colour of that ocean, just amazing. Then heading straight to Mana Island Resort. A beautiful welcome to the resort. What an entrance. We're greeted with a happy smile, a tombe and fresh juice. We ate some food, we went for a swim, we watched some entertainment, had dinner and saw this beautiful sunset.